Robotics Boy here, and today I'll be talking about how to make a multicolored print out of a single nozzle printer. And this is the print we'll be showing you how to make today. First we didn't get it right, but in the end it worked out. And I just want to show you the failed projects. This is the first one. It looks good, but it isn't what we wanted. This is the second one. It still looks pretty bad, but we're getting there. This is the third one. We paused in the middle of the print for this one. This is the fourth. It looks pretty good. And the final copy turned out really well. And in the next step, I'll bring you over to the computer and show you how to slice the print. Now that we have the STL file loaded, you want to hit slice. It's going to take 40 minutes. And then you want to hit the preview tab. And it's kind of cool because you can go through the layers. The slider right here that I'm moving. And you can kind of zoom in on the app. It's kind of satisfying. And you want to hit the code. We already have it loaded. You want to go to filament change. The first one is 16 and the second one is 19. And it should be layer for both of the codes. But to add a code, just add a script. Like I said, we already added the code, but we haven't saved it to the... Now we're gonna start the print with the first color. And the code will tell us when to change it to the next color. And now that the print is done, I'm going to show you it. that kind of popped off. Taking the raft off. Raft, why aren't you coming off? Raft, okay, never mind. It's not coming off. Wait, that came off. Just going around, popping the raft off. Now you want to come off? Yay. And this is what it turned out. And bye for today.